Think about the last time you were in a hospital and you may have saw a worker wash their hands, use hand sanitizer, put on a pair of gloves. The problem is they're bringing in equipment into that room, and although they may be washing their hands, what's happening within the room with the equipment that they brought in? Has that device now been cleaned? It had interaction with a patient, with a caregiver, and there was a potential for transmission of any type of bacteria from that patient onto that device. Now they're going to the next room, and then the next room, and then the next room. The UV Clean is a small device that is used to disinfect high-touch areas. Keyboards, mice, touch screens, anywhere you have multiple touches and not necessarily routine cleaning done, the UV Clean device would attach to that high-touch area and do a disinfection when it's not being used. It is an automated solution that you don't have to rely on people to remember to do it. UVC light disrupts DNA. It actually stops bacteria from reproducing. So the bacteria is eliminated because of its lack of ability to divide and cause infection. The unit will run for 5 minutes. It waits 60 seconds of no motion, so as soon as I move in front of it, it'll turn itself off, wait 60 seconds of no motion, and then turn itself back on again for 5 minutes. If any time during that 5 minutes it registers any movement, it's going to turn itself off, wait again 60 seconds, and then turn itself back on. All of this information is kept internally within the device. If infection control wants to grab that information, they can come up to the back of the unit, they can download that information and see how often it was running, how long it ran for, and get a full audit trail of the actual device. I recently walked into a urgent care facility, and I walked in and there was a self-check-in kiosk that wasn't being cleaned. It wasn't being disinfected between each person walking in. There was hand sanitizer there, but that was for the person's hands, and was everyone actually using it? If that unit would have had a UV Clean device, it would have automated that disinfection of that screen. According to the CDC, 1 in 31 patients that are admitted to a hospital are going to acquire a healthcare associated infection. It costs the healthcare, both the patients and the hospitals, billions of dollars every year. So this is a win-win situation for the hospital. They can put a device in like this that can help reduce these healthcare acquired infections and also reduce their costs. So by having a device like this, we're really hoping to reduce the hospital-acquired infections within facilities so we can reduce their costs, make patients happier, and not have to worry about getting something that they didn't come in with.